Now let me show you how to calculate board feet, lumber, and costs on your Construction Master Pro. Keep in mind the keystrokes will be exactly the same if you're using the Trig or the desktop models. Now the board foot function handles unit list entries just the way you say them, for example 2 by 4 by 8. Say we need our lumber list shows 20 pieces of 2 by 4 by 12. The way I'd enter that is 2 by 4 by 12, convert, and over the 8 key it says board feet, the second function is. So 2 by 4 by 12 is 8 board feet. Say I need 20 of those times 20 equals 160 board feet. Let's put that in the memory. And I need 30 pieces of 2 by 6 by 20. 2 by 6 by 20. Convert board feet. And now I can say I need 30 pieces of that times 30 equals 600 board feet. Put that in the memory. Now I can recall what's in the memory. So I have a total of 760 board feet. Say this particular material goes for $375 per 1,000 board feet. So I would say times 375, convert. Over the 0 key is the cost function. So that would be $285 worth of lumber. You can also calculate board feet as a cubic volume number. Since we know that a board foot is 144 cubic inches, say you've got a 2 inch by 4 inch by 12 feet board. That's a whole bunch of cubic yards, which is really irrelevant in this example. You can convert that to cubic inches if you like, but more appropriately is convert to board feet. So the same 8 board feet.